Hi, I'm Judy Rush, and I'm Director of UST School of Law's nationally recognized Mentor Externship Program. Mentor Externship is the program that connects students with the profession, allows students to see the work that lawyers do, connect the profession with what it is they're learning, and have the chance to have a mentor interested in their career and supportive of them. We're very lucky that we have more than 500 mentors who are willing to work with our students, and many times those relationships end up being lifelong relationships. I'm from St. Paul. I grew up in St. Paul and I've lived there all my life. I practiced law there for 15 years. I had a small firm where I did appellate, ethics, and family law. I've also taught at the two St. Paul law schools for 18 years, and been very involved in the Bar Association, in the discipline system, in the lawyer assistance program, and in the local and national bar associations as well. So when I had the chance to come here and combine all that to work in a program that connected law students with the profession, I was delighted. And I was brought here by St. Thomas's commitment that they've had from the very beginning to students, the whole student, not just educating students, but allowing students to grow in their moral development and their vocation. And I thought, well, what more could there be than connecting professionalism, vocation, and personal growth and commitment to the community, which is part of the mission of UST. So sometimes I think I have the best job in the law school. I suppose that's not always true, but as a former mentor, I always enjoyed seeing the growth that students have from the beginning to the end. I also taught legal writing, which allowed me to really see students come in without skills and leave as professionals, and I get to do the same thing here. I get to hear the comments from mentors about how these relationships are important to them and how important it is to the profession to have UST students come out the door with really the skills that they need to have as professionals. So most days I think I have the best job in the building, and I just can't say enough about UST Law School and its students.